Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles. Welcome to another Sunday Stata tip. Today we are going to talk about the difference between quietly and noisily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first read in this auto data that we've been using. I'm just using the command window for this because hopefully this will make a lot of sense. And it's easier to see if we're typing commands into the command window than having a do file for this exercise. So let's say that I want to sum miles per gallon. I could say sum miles per gallon, and it will print this nice table. I could type return list right after, and it will give me all the information from this table with different variables that I can call later in my code. But maybe I want one of these variables, but I don't necessarily care about the table. I'm really just running the sum command to get one of these. So how can I suppress that output? Well, I can just type quietly in front of the sum command. So quietly sum miles per gallon. And then if I type that same return list command, I will get those same values that I did before without having to deal with this table. And that's really nice because if I'm running a command that generates a lot of output or Stata takes a lot of time to print this table, quietly will reduce the runtime. Now compare that with something like noisily. Type noisily sum miles per gallon, and that'll make sure that the output is printed whether or not it's supposed to or not. So hopefully this makes a little more sense on the differences between quietly and noisily. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time for another Sunday Stata tip here on In Case of Econ Struggles.